All right, scholars, thank you for joining me on our last assignment in this packet, our last story with Wendy and Sydney. We are on lesson 66 in the packet. Question number 1. In this lesson, the author tells us that Wendy is both happy and sad at the same time. Why is she both happy and sad? Write 2 pieces of evidence. So, scholars, we call that mixed emotion, right? Having mixed feelings. So let's get a good start to our answer using words from the question. Wendy is feeling happy because, remember, when you have that word why, it's usually going to mean your answer has the word because in it. Wendy is feeling happy because comma, but she is also feeling sad because da, 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 da. So scholars, just from getting a starter like that, I have used words from the question, right? Wendy is feeling happy because blah, 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 blah. And I'm giving one piece of evidence there. Then, but she is also feeling bing, bing, bing sad because blah, and that's my second piece of evidence. So if I give a reason that I read why she's happy here and a reason why she's feeling sad here, I have named my 2 pieces of evidence. Then for question number 2, think of a time in your life that you have felt both happy and sad. When was it? Why did you feel happy? Why did you feel sad? A time I felt both happy and sad was when period, saying when that was that you felt happy and sad. I was happy because comma, but sad because Now remember, it's one time in your life, a time. So not a time you were happy and then a different time that you were sad. One time where you felt mixed emotions and were feeling both happy and sad over the same event, the same time, that same thing that happened. Right? So you can't say, a time I felt both happy and sad was when I went out to eat. I was happy because we went to Taco Bell, but I was sad because school was off for the weekend, right? Those 2 things aren't really connected. So try to think of one time when you felt happy and sad about something. Think back to our work earlier this year. We talked about this quite a bit with the one and only Ivan, right? That idea of mixed emotions, feeling 2 different things at the same time. Put some thought into that. It's your last assignment with the Wendy and Sydney stories. Please remember, when you are finished, click that submit button at the bottom submitting a photo, click that submit button and be sure that you send that to us so your teachers can read about your time of mixed emotions, of happiness and sadness, and your thoughts on what was making Wendy feel happy and sad in today's story. All right. Thanks for joining me again today, scholars. See you tomorrow.